This is it? Doesn't even look like anybody lives here. Hello? Hello? Guys, we've been pranked. Someone sent us to this address to mess with us. We drove 3 hours to get out here to help someone, and we've been pranked. Just kidding. It was actually a pee break.
Well, that's embarrassing.
All right, so we just pulled up. Brian here's been dealing with rats for several years. He's caught over 30 or 40 out of his attic area. He's done all the exclusion work. He's just dumbfounded and cannot understand how they're getting into his house. Robert, David, nice to meet you.
David?
Attic rats, right?
Yes, attic rats,
Okay.
Absolutely.
And you've caught like over 30?
Over 100.
Over 100?
It's been 5 years, but at least 100.
That's a lot.
You've had other rodent companies out, or did you do most of the exclusion?
At least 5. We've had 5 companies out.
No way.
Searched high and low, and yeah, that's where I found you guys on
Okay.
YouTube.
Do you want to show me
yeah.
the activity hot spots?
There's one.
Oh, wow.
How you doing? Dave. There's a wall there where a friend of ours put a duct, and he didn't do a good job. Pull the oven out, and there's a hole back there. I patched the hole, but there has been some access behind this
area here. Okay.
So
Oh, look at that.
one
Yeah.
came through here about 2 weeks ago. In that corner, about a week ago, one came through.
Oh, yeah.
That's a new one.
It is pretty rare to see rats go to all the different parts of the home. They usually just center in one room, and that's their sort of nesting active spot. But here, they're everywhere. You could see the frustration in Robert's face. So what we're gonna do is we gotta get up in that attic, we gotta get up on that roof and see if these are the Norway rats. We already have Victor up there sniffing out the vents, and it's gonna be a hot one today. I did put sunscreen to protect the epidermal layer of the skin.
That's a big word.
I'm ready, guys. I'm ready for this one. Good morning, Raul.
Good morning, man.
You beat me this morning.
I know, right?
For the first time. I got a good crew. Aww. This will be his master. Ooh, what the heck? 5 companies? And this is all broken. I wonder why. This is no good. This needs to be sealed up here. So you see these big gaps between the pipe? No bueno. So you could tell that the last guys did the exclusion on all these vents here. So they're not getting in from up above. A lot of activity?
No.
Not a lot of droppings? No. Nothing in the traps?
No.
There's nothing here.
You had a camera too?
Let's go to the attic inside the house. Look at the amount of rat traps. Nothing. An aggressive job up here trying to catch these bad babies.
Well, you get an A for effort.
Massive rat droppings over here. So they're over here more. Victor, get that smoke going while I'm up here. As we're waiting for the smoke machine, you could see how much bait, and he's using Slim Jims, he's using peanut butter. They're not hitting this bait, and the reason why is because they've got their food source elsewhere. But you'll see, once we find the entry point and seal it off, if there's any rats up in this attic, this is when the magic starts. You got smoke?
Yeah.
Somewhere in here. Oh, wait. Wait, there's another pipe right here that I just found, but it's an open pipe here, but they have it screened off. Got all excited for nothing.
False alarm.
Damn it, I thought I was going home early today. Okay, so we've capped that off there. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this section here, because that white pipe, I hope I'm right, is right behind this area right here. A lot of rat grease right there. A lot. Definitely their highway right here, you guys. Oh, yes. There it is. Bingo, we got him! 5 years of rat grease right there. These are the moments right here that just, I'd never get tired of it. It's a dirty, nasty job. But these are the moments right here. He spent thousands of dollars. Here we are in 1 hour. We found the spot. It's time to show Robert. Hey, Robert, come on up. I got some good news for you. Remember I said that high activity area in the attic?
Yeah.
Look at that. I opened up this drywall.
Oh my gosh. I would have never found that. Oh man, I'm so happy.
See the rat grease inside there?
Oh, that's rat grease?
That's 5 years of rat
Oh,
grease.
disgusting.
So this is this was their main highway. That pipe there you should just utilize it and connect it to here. And what, we've only been here about an hour?
Yeah.
Okay, so Robert's decided to move forward with the repair, so we're gonna head to the supply house here, local Home Depot, get the supplies, get all that plumbing taken care of, and then perform another smoke test to confirm there's no other breaches. All right, we're at Home Depot. I'm full of excitement. I want to share some of this gratitude and love. Let's surprise a shopper in here.
To tell you the truth, I'm a little concerned.
Victor, give me that box that was sitting in the back. The mystery box with a question mark. We're gonna ask some shoppers, would they wanna buy the mystery box for $5? And if they do, they're gonna win a nice little prize. Let's go give it a try. Yes, Mr. Beast inspired me on this one. Let's see. Okay, I don't think we're gonna use the box. I think we'll just do it like this. For Lucky You from Twin Home Experts. Let's go. Hello, sir. How you doing?
Good.
Would you like to buy a mystery box for $5?
No.
No? Okay. All right. Have a good day.
All right, you too.
Wrong answer.
Hello. Sorry to bother you. Would you guys like to buy the mystery box for $5?
Sure, why not? Got a 20 if you got change. All right,
Okay,
let's see what
get
we
you-
got here.
Open it up. Uh-oh.
Holy smokes, 200 bucks, really?
Nice. Thank you.
Dude, now we can get that thing. All right,
And
wow.
We don't even want your $5. We just want to make your guys' day.
What?
Thank you.
Hey, I appreciate it, you
Super
guys.
awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's so cool.
Something we wanted to give back to the community.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. That guy was smart. Right there. I'm glad I was able to give it to a family in need. All right, we got to get those fittings, you guys. Who do you think's the better looking one? Leave in your comments. David or Jimmy? We won't take it personal. I think this guy right here is much better looking. Pretty hot up here, you guys. And I forgot to put my deodorant on. Oh, yeah. Smell like a champ now. Drop it down. Good job. Okay, now we're ready to take this and connect it to that other vent pipe that was just exposed here. Okay, as you can see, we're completely connected. So let's go up on the roof now and we'll seal all that up there. Here's the brand new pipe. As you can see, I measured 12 inches, which is fine. Now we're gonna waterproof this. Oh yeah. Cover up all that exclusion work as well. Definitely don't wanna get this on your hands.
Yeah, it's stuck.
Okay, we're ready for another smoke test. No smoke. Good, good, good.
I would sit here and watch TV and I could see the dust as they're chewing. I could see the pieces coming from the ceiling.
Promise you, you won't have that issue again.
I need to show you a picture, if you don't mind.
And that was up in the attic area?
No, that was on the floor. In the kitchen.
In the kitchen.
Yeah.
Nice catch.
So we're gonna give these rats a little buffet. We're gonna use our Slim Jim. We'll put some peanut butter in there. And then we're gonna put some candy in this one right here. I'm gonna juice this up to create the aromas. If you find your entry point, you seal that off. All we're trying to do right now is get the rest of the rats that are hiding up in that attic area. Too much food is gonna give them too much time to survive if they take this bait. That's still not secure enough. So what we're gonna do, take our wire and we'll just wrap it around a couple of times. As you can see, we're squeezing the gummy bear right through as well. So they're gonna dig into that. You want them to dig into there. The longer they stay in this kill zone, much better odds that we're gonna catch them. We caught one of our biggest rats because of this right here. We secured the bait with this wire. Put a bunch of little peanut butter there. Squeeze those juices in there.
Wow, what a spread.
You know your rats. Which one do you think they're gonna hit?
I tried these, and I've tried these. I've had the most success with the peanut butter.
So you're going with this one?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a feeling they're gonna hit this Slim Jim. We're gonna clean up. Okay. Let's monitor over the next 24 hours to 72 hours. If there are rats in here, tonight, tomorrow night, they're gonna go crazy. You're gonna hear a lot of screeching, a lot of activity. It's just because they're in fear mode and there's no way for them to get out, but that's actually a good sign.
Okay.
So if you hear that, put a smile on your face. We're now 2 steps ahead of them.
Okay.
What an amazing day. He was so happy and so thankful. His wife was so appreciative as well. So we're gonna be in contact over the next 24 to 72 hours. See if there is any activity left in his attic. It's hard to say at this point. That's right, I missed the rat dance. The cool thing is I picked a great spot out in the middle of nowhere. Hopefully you guys like this video. Love all the comments and the feedback. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share these videos as well. Gotta get YouTube to kick in a little bit more with their algorithm and get our videos out to more people is what I'm hoping. Anyhow, thanks for all your support and we'll see you on the next one.